Okay, the jam part is installed. For the middle lap, I attach one bolt first, because this section will be the place where the hog lock will be installed. For the right side is ready. Door hinges installed. Now we make the door. First, we make the door frame. We cut the top, bottom, left, and right. After that, we peel the left and right. And after that, flatten it like this. Okay, the door frame is ready. We assemble it immediately on the door frame. To install, start at the door hanging. Continue with installing all other parts. Here, you have to be really good at doing it. Door gap must be neat. Should not be too loose or touching. Measure correctly. Don't let the door gap in the frame be uneven. Oh yes, mounting the bolts on the frame start at the edge position. Should be so, friends, because in the middle we will cover it with an aluminum plate. And at the very moment, installing bolts on the plate will also strengthen the door frame. After the door frame is installed correctly, we put the door lock in the up and down position. Okay, for now it's like this. Later, we will make a barrier to the movement of the door. Now, we make the door segment on the outside. This is the installation mark for each door segment. For how to mark segment installation, please friends understand this picture correctly. After the mark has been made, we just attach the pieces of the segment. Install each segment according to the position mark. Use victim thread so the bottom can be straight. After the door is installed, proceed to cover the inside of the door with aluminum plate. We prepare the plate. We cut the plate to size. Install the plate neatly. Be careful, there are no bloated edges of the plate. After the plate has been installed, immediately create a closed door movement barrier. I will use the hook as a barrier. This door barrier is installed at the top and bottom. This is just saving mode, friends. If you want something nice and neat, you can use a door barrier made of mild steel rings. Okay, great. Properly close it. I have installed the middle hook lock. This key is complete with the padlock installation. Okay, done. That's good. That's all, friends. I hope this is useful.